Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this device. So first of all, let me open one window in order to show you all the ways that you can put it on the full screen. And to do this, you can either double click the top bar of the window and then double click it again to demaximize it. You can use this icon in the top right corner of the screen. By clicking on it, you can maximize or demaximize your window, and the last way is grabbing the top bar of your window and moving it to the top of your screen, and then moving it down will demaximize your window. And that's basically it. To end this video, I want to just a quick mention that you can use all of these three methods interchangeably, so you don't have to worry about how you maximized your window the last time. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.